Hello everyone, and welcome to the Canva Masterclasses 2026. I will be your instructor throughout this course, whether you are a complete beginner or someone who wanted to improve your digital skills, design skills. This course is designed for you. We will start from basic and gradually move toward creating professional quality design. So let's begin this excited journey together. First of all, thank you so much for joining this course. In this masterclasses, I will teach you Canva step by step in a simple and easy to understand way. This course is beginner friendly, and we will focus on practical learning throughout the real examples and projects. By the end of this course, you will have valuable design skills that you can use for works, business, or personal projects. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce myself. I am a Canva trainer's content creator, graphic designer, AI tool explorer, and freelancer. I have worked on design, project, and help people to learn can enhance simple and practical ways. I am excited to share my experience and knowledge with you throughout this course. Why learn Canva? You might be wondering, why would you learn Canva? This answer is simple. Canva is one of the most popular design tools in the world. You can use it to create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, business design, presentation, marketing material, and so much more. Whether you're a student, business owner, freelancer, or a content creator, Canva is a skill that can open many opportunities for you. Canva is trusted by millions of world users. It's used by creator, influencer, business, teacher, and students every single day. Its popularity continues to grow because it is easy to use while offering powerful design features. Learn Canva today is a valuable investment in your future. This course is designed for everyone. If you are a teacher, if you're a freelancer, if you're a YouTuber, if you're a content creator, if you're a business owner, if you're a teacher or a digital marketer, or if you're a business, this course is perfect for you. No previous explanation or experience is required in this course. All you need is to learn the things that I will taught you. Throughout this course, you will learn a wide range of Canva skill. We will cover basic Canva templates, AI tools, logo design, presentation, resume designs, YouTube thumbnail, website design, and much more. By the end of this course, you will be confident in creating professional design on your own. Here's our learning roadmap. Okay. We will begin with an introduction to Canva. Then we will learn Canva basic and move on professional design technique. After that, we will explore Canva AI tools, social media design, business design, and finally work on real-world projects while learning freelancing tips. Each module builds on previous one, making the learning smooth and easy. In this course, there are 7 modules, and in one module, estimated 8 to 9 lectures. Our learning process is very simple. First of all, we will teach the lesson, and you will watch the lesson. Then you will practice what we have learned. After that, you will complete an assignment, we will revise the concept together, and finally, we will work on practical part. This material will help you to learn faster and remember concept better. To take this course, you need a few basic things: a laptop or a desktop, a stable internet connection, because Canva will use on internet. Does not work without internet. A Canva account, a free Canva account. We will not use a paid Canva. We will start this course with free Canva account. And a notebook to write down most important notes and ideas. That's all you need to begin this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to create professional quality designs with confidence. You will know how to build portfolio, work with clients, start freelancing, use Canva AI effectively, and even begin earning online through your design skills. These are practical skills that you can immediately use. What's today's assignment? Before moving to next lesson, here's your first assignment. Create your Canva account if you have not already. Don't worry. If you don't know how to create Canva account, I will teach you in upcoming lectures. Create a deactive folder. You have to create a folder on your PC or laptop for this course. Write 3 learning goals you want to achieve, and keep a notebook ready for taking notes throughout this course. Please complete the task before watching the next lecture. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to help you to succeed. Practice every day, even if it's a short time. Complete every assignment. Don't skip any lessons. Ask questions whenever you have any doubt in my comment section or in my social media platforms. Anywhere you can ask questions. And most important things, stay consistent. Remember, because consistency is the key of success. Thank you so much for joining this course. I am truly excited to be the part of your learning journey. I hope these masterclasses help you to develop valuable design skills and give you the confidence to create amazing projects. Let's make this learning experience enjoyable and productive together. In our next lesson, we will explore the question, what is Canva? We will learn what is Canva, why it is so popular, and how you can start using it effectively. I look forward to see you in next class. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss upcoming lesson. If you have any question, feel free to ask or leave in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this lecture, and I will see you in next class. Happy learning. Allah Hafiz.